Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's go for.
Saan yung boarding pass na po?
Ata. Sabi. Kakababa lang namin ng plane. We're here again. Yeah.
Guys, alam niyo ba, ang ganda dito sa pinag-stopover namin. Dito rin kami dati nag-stopover eh. Lunch na kasi. Ito yung place. So guys, ito yung aming room. Si Lovey. May TV na siya. Tapos, ayan, yung aming bed for 2. And then, maluwag siya, guys. Tapos, may table na rin dito if may work kayo. And then, ito, may sabitan na rin ang inyong clothes. And then, yung CR, maganda and malinis na din. Maluwag na din siya, guys. Nasaan yung ilaw na CR? Ayan. So, ayan guys. Maayos naman yung CR. Ayan. Let's go! Settle na tayo. Ikaw magbablog. Hey guys, so lalabas kami ngayon. And mag-rent lang kami ng motor kasi 2 minutes away yung downtown or yung El Nido town proper. I mean, yung basta yung city dito. Kaya, ayun. So, nagpalit lang ako ng outfit. So, check nyo na. Fit check. Palapit. Mamaya, guys, check nyo yung outfit ko. Okay? Babush!
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love
ka dito. Kasagasaan ka.
Dadalhin mo yung sombrero?
Oo. O, wag na.
Parang wag na.
Ano naman yung ano? Patayin ko muna. Outfit ko hindi pang beach.
Bakit? Sabi ko kasi magpalit ka.
Pang motor to eh. Hindi, ano kasi motor tayo.
Uy, masasya.
Ay, ano,
Pigomes. Dami rin nilalabo. Puno din sila. Hey guys, so we're back.
We're here.
We're here again.
Dito bakery mo.
Sige, tara, bili tayo. So, nandito na naman kami ni Lavi. Hanap kami ng makakainan as usual. So, dadaan muna kami ng church. Pero, dito lang kami sa labas kasi naka-sleeveless ako.
Ako na magdadala ito. Sayang naman outfit.
Sige. Thank you. Bait ni Lavi ko. We're back. Oh, lobster.
Prepare na.
Labi.
Waiting lang kami sa aming pudong. Okay.
Ooh. Yummy. Chili sauce.
Ikaw, gawang kita.
Sige, ito yung camera.
Okay. Ha? Punta ko sa harap niya. Sige.
Tabibit. Ito na ang aming main course. Main course. Sila pinag-iway na siya. Uy, yummy. Balot time. Pag ano na, pag hindi na mainit. Dito kami nagbalot. Yum, skillet! So, si Lavi yung magtitimpla ng coffee namin. Kasi hindi ako marunong magtimpla ng coffee. 3-in-1 lang yung ano.
It's getting too loud in here. It's time to get out. I'm reading you loud and clear though. There's no need to shout. And time will be all we need. But for now we'll take all the pieces, all of the reasons to stay.
Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa port kung saan kami imimit nung pupuntahan naming tour. Ayan, ibang port yung pinuntahan namin ngayon, hindi sa town, dito siya. Ayan. Hindi siya crowded kasi sabi ni Kuya tour guide namin, mas crowded daw dun sa dun sa isang port. Kaya, ayan. Tapos ito si Lavi.
Oo, may idea na kayo.
Aayos siya kasi natanggal. Ayan. Time check, mag-aalas 10 na. Medyo late nga nag-umpisa ngayon yung tour kasi feeling namin masyadong maraming tao or masyadong maraming guest ngayon kasi fiesta.
Happy Fiesta!
Ano?
Happy Fiesta!
Ayun lang. Bye! El Viaje 8.
Aray ko. May... Thank you.
Pwede po dito sa
Pwede.
nakalight na.
Unahin natin yung
I hope we don't fail to see the beauty of being free. Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close, so we have to give it one more try before the idiots are dead.
Medyo madaming peoples today's. Daddy! Hi guys, nandito kami sa 7 Commandos. Ito yung una namin pinuntahan. Sila rin nagpo-vlog. Ay, ang tatapang, wala ng life jacket.
nagdalive jacket ng mga tanga.
Okay, hanap lang kami ng... Ay, so malapit lang sa boat para mabilis tayo makabalik.
Bawal nga kasi mag-swim. Butter ka muna.
Sige. Wait lang.
Kaya.
Hindi.
Go. Go.
Aray, Jay.
How's it go? Po.
This summer I'll be by your side. A wonder that you can't describe. How long will you wait for me? I want you to see what I see. I see you. How I see you. I'm looking out, it's really far. I felt the tingle in my heart. Sun has set, the stars will appear. In many ways, it's great up here. Somehow life goes on. The stars we know are gone. In this lonely place, I still see your face. I go round and round until every sound is a symphony from my heart.
37% na lang.
Ayun, large.
Hi guys,
Baka naapakan ng mga coral
Apo. Hi guys, pinag-life jacket kami kasi umuulan. So for safety purposes. Ito tayo guys. Sabi, tingnan mo. Ba't ang layo mo? Ay, labi. Ha? Ayan guys, yung paglalansya namin. Kasi ito yung boat. Ilangoy muna namin ganyan.
Lamig, gogi.
Lumig, grabe. Umuulan kasi ngayon guys. Pero okay lang yan, nag-enjoy pa rin naman kami. So, umuulan ngayon guys. Pero okay lang. Depende rin naman kasi yan sa tao, no love?
Depende sa tao.
So, in-accept na lang namin na umuulan. Pero, okay lang. Nag-enjoy pa rin namin. Ang dami naming nakitang mga fish, no?
Ang dami na. Ano ba yan yung...
Yung bibig mo sa yung kinunan.
Lagi,
Ayan.
lagi.
Ah.
Tara. Tapos nahiga tayo sa ito yung ginagawa niya.
Asan?
Nahiga siya.
Ay, sige, tara. Magpa-floating daw kami.
Go!
Sige. Hi guys. So, ayun nga. Umuulan pa din at malakas ang ulan. Pero okay lang. Kasi patapos naman na yung tour namin. At saka, ayan. Saka feeling ko, mas nasulit namin yung tour ngayon. No, love?
Nagkakain pala. Yan nga, naghahanap ako din ng space. Wala tayong spot na mababasa yung food.
Oo nga. Kapit kamay la lang.
Yung sa boat, no? Masikip na bang lain.
Di ba, pahinto naman eh.
Daan lang.
Daan lang.
Okay lang tong gantong ulan, wag lang lumakas ang hangin sa kanan.
Oo. Wala namang bagyo, no?
Wala naman.
Ay, ulan lang talaga. Ulan namin, hindi maalon. Kaya nagtagal kami dun sa sa dagat. Tambay muna kami dito, guys. Kasi yung iba naming kasama nasa Secret Lagoon. Eh, nakapunta na kasi kami dati dun. Ha? Saan?
Recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. This road that I am on.
Kaya pa kami. Thank you, kuya. Kami. Punta na kami dun. Si kuya nagdadrive.
Wala, magmumotor lang kami. Tanong na kayo kung magkano motor. Baka may alam ako yun. Eh, meron na. Magkano na ka? Oo, 1.5 hanggang mula kahapon hanggang Tuesday. Oo, apat balik. Apat? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Ayaw nga. Pero masarap pala labi yung hindi ka magsasagot.
Kaya nga.
Ay, nako.
Hindi, dati muntik na tayong tumaob dyan,
Oo,
no?
dun pala kasi nung time na yun, malakas na yung alon. Tapos di pa kami magkasundo kung right or left. Hindi naman.
Di ba meron na?
Napanood ko yun. Dito sa area natin ito.
Hey, at least I'm breathing. I know it took a while. Been looking for a sweet song, a sign of spring. Waiting for a reason to laugh, to sing. 'Cause I've been spending all my time to figure out just how I what went wrong. But what goes up must come down.
We're driving downtown, foot pushed on the pedal. Move to songs we play together. Feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day. We're driving downtown, foot pushed on the pedal.